So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bento box. So the first recipe is chicken onigiri, and onigiri is basically a triangular stuffed rice ball. And what you do is you put rice in some plastic wrap, and then you add your filling and use the plastic wrap to help shape the rice. And then you can take it out and start shaping it with your hands, and you're just going to make 2 of those. For the next recipe, you're going to make carrot cabbage slaw, and right now I'm just peeling the carrot. Then you're just going to chop off a tiny portion of the carrot. And I'm just going to shred this with a fine shredder, and then shred some green cabbage and some purple cabbage. Once that's all done, you can just add it to a bowl. Now you can add some rice vinegar, and I didn't measure this, but I added in about a teaspoon. A lot of it didn't end up in the bowl though, but that's okay. So now you're just going to stir it all together. And I'm also going to add in some teriyaki sauce. I'm using low sodium teriyaki sauce because that one tastes better, because the other one is too salty. And I'm not measuring this also, I'm just adding in about a tablespoon. And you can mix that together. For the next recipe, it's basically diced apple with some pineapple. So right now I'm just starting to dice the apple. Once that's all done, you can just add it into a bowl. I diced a bit too much. And I'm just going to add in some canned crushed pineapple. And you're just going to stir that together, and that's it. And the next recipe is tamagogi. And tamagogi is basically a very thin rolled omelet. So you're just going to crack 2 eggs. And I'm going to add in some low sodium soy sauce, about a teaspoon, and some low sodium teriyaki sauce, about a tablespoon. Now you're just going to whisk that all together. Once that's done, you can heat up your pan and add a little bit of butter. And my pan was too hot here, so once I poured it in, it started cooking really fast, but you don't want your pan to be that hot. Now you're just going to spread it around like a very thin omelet. Once that's all cooked, you can just start scraping the sides with a rubber spatula and then roll it up. You kind of half fold, half roll it together. And now you can just add a little more butter and half of the remaining egg. So you're going to do 3 layers all together, and I'm just going to roll up the last layer. My tamagogi is not very neat, but that's okay. Sorry about my hand right there. So now I'm just going to cut off the ends, and you can cut it in half down the center or diagonally. And that's it. So in the bottom layer of my bento box, I had my onigiri tamagogi and also a hamburger patty, which I did not show. The next layer, I have the carrot slaw with the cabbage and the apples. And my bento box has a fork and a spoon in it too, so that's cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Bye!